सर्वांगे नमस्कार. GSB खाणाचे व्हिडिओज आम्ही अपलोड करताय इंग्लिशांतूय कोंकणींतूय. आता 70 व्हिडिओज गेला ना सर. ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू कोण सपोर्ट करशाक आमकां छान खुशी आसा. आनी आमचे व्हिडिओज सगळं तुम्ही छान सपोर्ट चड सपोर्ट करून व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Soppur Avalia Humman. Today I got these fresh star gooseberries or Soppur Avalos, also called Rajavalos. So I decided to make a spicy humman to accompany the appos that I'm making for breakfast today. This is an excellent combination with dosas, idlis, rice, etc. as it is very easily and quickly made. So, first for this, I heat a pan with coconut oil, splatter a teaspoon of mustard, then add a teaspoon of urad dal, and half teaspoon of methi seeds. When they brown, I add some curry leaves. Switch off flame. Then after a minute, I add about 2 teaspoons or so of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of hing. Mix well in the hot oil. And then add the cleaned and washed gooseberries. Add enough water for it to cook. Add salt to taste. Cover and cook till it's half done. Now add a tablespoon of rice powder, mix well so that you don't get any lumps. Add a little more water and cook on low flame till done. As this will thicken after it has cooled, add water according to your desired consistency. Transfer to a glass bowl or porcelain jar. Appos are ready, so just go ahead and dip them in the humman and have a blissful breakfast. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.